आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे अल्टरनेट चैनल youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम चैनल पर देख सकते हैं। Welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Mohammad Mudassir Alam. I am here with the latest update about CUCET 2021. National Testing Agency NTA has issued the admit card on its website www.cucet.nta.nic.in. You can log in into the website. Once you will log in into the website, you can see the download admit card tab. Click that tab. After clicking that tab, there are two options to download the admit card. You can enter your application form number, application number as well as password for downloading the admit card. You can also download by entering your application number and date of birth. After downloading the admit card, you have to take the printout. You have to carry the printout to your examination center. There is a space for affixing your recent photograph. You have to fix the photograph. On the admit card, there are columns for signature. You have to sign when you appear in the examination before the invigilator. Right now, you do not need to put the signature on the admit card. If you are facing any difficulty, any kind of query you are having, any question you are having, you can ask your question in the comment box below. Thanks a lot. All the best for your career. All the best for CUCET 2021 exam.